Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan churros. First, combine 1 cup of plant-based milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, then remove it from the heat. Quickly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring vigorously until a smooth, thick dough forms. This is the foundation for your delicious churros. Once your dough is ready, transfer it into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6 inch lengths of dough directly into the hot oil. Fry the churros for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Work in batches to avoid overcrowding the pot. After frying, carefully remove the churros from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, roll each churro generously in a mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. This classic coating adds a delightful sweetness and aromatic spice. Serve your freshly made vegan churros immediately with a rich chocolate dipping sauce or a fruit compote for an extra treat. For the best results, maintain a consistent oil temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit throughout frying. You can also get creative with your churros. Try adding a pinch of nutmeg or cardamom to your cinnamon sugar for a unique flavor. For an extra special treat once cooled, you can even fill your churros with vegan caramel, fruit preserves, or a creamy plant-based custard using a piping bag with a small tip. Enjoy your homemade vegan churros.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.